So there was a bunch of logs stacked over here, and I just moved them all into the shed because we got snakes here and I don't want them thinking they can live underneath those. They won't be able to get under these as easily, these big ones here, but I don't think that'll be an issue. Virginia's continuing to cut up the little pieces that we are throwing in the fire, which is why the fire looks like that. We are burning these little twigs. Ready? Yep. She did it! Uh-oh! I stacked all this sweet gum. This is all sweet gum. This nasty tree with those prickly balls that drop all their seeds. But what I did was I put a tower of wood over here and a tower of wood over there. So some of them go this direction and others go that direction so they don't roll or move. I did that so these logs won't put pressure on the sides of these walls, because this is just a plastic shed, just enough to keep this wood dry, and hopefully this will dry in a year, maybe 2. But we have a bunch of dry wood over here if we want to have a fire. So this whole area over here was all like that back there, all briars and broken down stuff, and we raked it and cut it all up so it's kind of clean. We're going to leave that mound there. We're just going to do a little bit more work back here. Probably leave those pieces back there of stone. Clean up a little bit more back in there and maybe on that side, but we're pretty close to finished with cleaning this up. We're going to spray it afterwards so nothing grows back up in this, and if it does, hopefully it will get mowed the same way that area there got mowed. Right in here, this was mowed, and nothing grew too big in it. And hopefully that's what will happen with this entire backyard area. We don't want anything to encroach on the house.